1.7 billion pesos increase jackpot price sa 5 games sa Loto. Tinamaan agad sa loob lang ng isang buwan. Only in the Philippines.
And then for the information of the public, yung mga increased jackpots po natin na 100, 500, 500, so a total of 1.7 billion pesos, tinamaan na po lahat.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. In less than a month.
Within a month, Your Honor.
Yes, within a month. Opo.
Nagsalita na si Senador Amy Marcos tungkol sa mga kaduda-dudang sunod-sunod na pagpapanalo sa Loto ng Philippine Charity Sweepstakes Office. Ayon pa sa Senador, kailangan malaman ng Guinness ito. Sobrang galing eh. Dagdag pa ng Senador, tayo na yata ang may pinakamaraming nanalo sa loob ng isang taon. At sa website nga ng PCSO, itong 2023 ang may pinakamaraming nanalo sa Loto na umaabot ng 77 ang tinamaan sa jackpot. At ang pang-Guinness history record nila na 433 na mananaya ang sabay-sabay na tumama sa Loto nitong nakaraang Oktubre 2023 at pinaghati-hatian ang 236 million jackpot. Ayon pa sa post ni Senador Amy Marcos, ang kahuli-hulihang pangarap na makaahon at magkapera kukunin pa rin sa panluloko. Bakit naman tayo papayag ng ganyan? Ayon yan sa Senador. At nitong ang January 2024, magkasunod naman na tinamaan ang jackpot na 640 million pesos at 698 million pesos at puro solo winner ito. At sa pagdagdag nga ng 1.7 billion pesos na pandagdag sa jackpot price nitong Christmas ay kinukuha naman ito ng PCSO sa kanilang prize funds reserve para daw maging excitement ang laro.
So when you made the jackpot all of a sudden 100 million, but the odds did not change, are you allowed by law to do that?
The board is allowed, Your Chair, Mr. Chairman. That's why we have the prize fund reserve. It's precisely for this purpose.
How is it stated in the law? We have a prize fund reserve for the purpose of
it's just the discretion of the board to
add to the jackpot.
Add into the jackpot, yeah.
And then the decision was it was one time, just to do it one time over that Christmas period of 2023.
Actually, ideally, Mr. Chair, it should be over the whole period of the year. Kasi every time may mananalo ka, you give in prize fund reserve. Kasi minsan talaga, this is jackpot driven, Your Honor. People bet because of the jackpot. So kung mababa ho, medyo matamlay po, that is the time when you pump in the prize fund reserve.
What is the tenor of the board resolution that you will enhance the jackpot one time or?
One time po, yung ginawa namin for December so for one time. Okay. Because, Mr. Chair, at the end of the year, that will become dividend and will be reverted back anyway to the Bureau of the Treasury as dividend. So, might as well, we have decided to make the games more exciting.
At sinabi din ng PCSO na pwede nila itong ulitin sa pamamagitan lang ng resolution.
If you want to repeat this, you need to pass another resolution.
Yes, Your Honor. We have to go back to the board.
Basta klaro yan.
Ang tanong, kung nais talaga mapalakas ng PCSO ang Loto, bakit hindi na lang taasan ang jackpot price nito sa kasalukuyan? Bakit kailangan pa ng one-time big-time jackpot na isahan lang? Hiling ba ito ng mananaya? O may kababalaghan ba dito?